Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw Jungkook of BTS. The drawing which I am going to draw is of JK's single 7. This man, JEON Jungkook, breaking all the records with his grown-up song. I think JK is just smashing the boundaries that he has around him. New phase, new rules. The explicit version of Sevens hit different. Jungkook had me junk shook. I know for a fact that he went to sleep smiling after knowing the damage he has done to every army. Today's song recommendation is from JK's Golden Album, Standing Next to You. Obsessed with this song, the choreography is perfection. Jungkook doesn't follow the standard, he is the standard. It can't be cooler than this song. Listening to this song, a year has passed since this masterpiece, but it is still my favorite song of the year. And lastly, you are not freak, but unique.